news about Jesus as according to John chapter 14 from verse 1 to verse 14. Jesus are the way to the Father. No worry no self. Trust in a God and trust in a me too. Enough room in a my Father house. If I know so it go, wouldn't say nothing to no. Me a go if it fix up one place for no. And after me go away, go fix it up. Me go and come back, come take uno care go away with me. So that uno can stay with me anywhere me there. Uno know the way if you go, which part me a go. Thomas then said to him, say, Lord, we don't know the way if you go which part you go. Or we can get to know the way if you go there. Jesus answered him and say, me are the way. Me are the truth. Me are the one where make people can live. Nobody can go to the Father if they don't go through me. No, if you know me for true, then you would have known my Father too. From now on, you know him and you see him. Philip said, Lord, make us see the Father, and we will satisfy with that. So Jesus said to him, say, you don't know me, Philip, after me dem amongst you for so long. Anybody will see me, see the Father too. Oh, if you ask me, say, show with the Father. You don't believe, say, me live in the Father, and the Father live in me. The sitting them when me say, me not just say them half of my own, and the Father will live in me, I do him work. Trust me when me say, me live in the Father, and that the Father live in me. And if you can't believe me, sake of what me say, then believe me sake of the miracle them where you see. For true, me I tell you say, anybody will believe in me, I go work the powerful miracle them where me I do. Them all I go work more powerful miracle than when me do now, cause me I go back to my Father. And me will do anything you ask for, cause uno I'm a follower. Me go and do it so that the boy Pitney can get for sure how the Father big and powerful. Uno can ask me for anything, cause uno am a follower, and me will give it to uno. A God word this. Thank God.